Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about string interpolation in Vue.js. So let's get started. In our last video, we have already discussed how to set up your environment for Vue.js and all this stuff. Please check it out if you haven't watched those. So first, before we type any Vue.js code, let me create a div with an ID of app. So we will show all this output inside this div. So we have to create a view instance. Let's suppose let vm is equal to new view, and inside this view instance you have to create a element so that you can target this app id. So type el, and inside this you have to type number symbol and type the name of this id, which is app. So it means you are targeting this div element. If you type something like div2 or something like that, it will not work because it is not matching with this id. So that this element means that you are targeting this div element. So that's all. And after that you have to type data. Inside this data object you can create any view variables, just like regular variables with a value. So let's suppose a variable, and this is string interpolation. So if you want to display this string inside here, what you have to do is put two curly bracket, and inside this curly bracket you have to put this name here. So we are writing variable, and let's see what we get. So this is just working fine. This is called string interpolation, and if you want to check this element is where it is showing, so you can see that this string interpolation, this string is showing inside this div element, which is id app. So this is all for today's guys. This is called string interpolation, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.